first thing I did was I imported the dev library. Then and I did this, and I said amount equals to principal plus principal times rate times time all over 100. And I said it should what return an amount. I also input the script. So I said script.input. I want Toby to say um, enter principal amount. You can actually change it to whatever you want. Okay. You can say I can change it to and say what is the principal amount, and this allows you to enter the principal amount, and after that it will record it, and the input for how many enter the interest rate. Once you're done with the interest rate, you need to store it, and take in another input, which is time, for how long the duration you want the calculator to calculate the interest amount. So you just input it, and at the end you want to be to say the exact year. Okay, so I'll run it now. This is going to run, so we'll try. So Toby, what is the principal amount? I say 15,000, 2,025. I hit enter. Now what is enter the interest rate? Interest rate is 0.5, so move to 1.75. Hit enter, and time for 3 years. So, okay.